Good afternoon and happy Sunday from Eccentrics Essentials. I'm Eccentrics. I've changed the name of the channel, so make sure that you actually like and subscribe. My name is Eccentrics. I'm over the top. I love my new hat, Fierce AF. Today we're going to be doing a quick review on black eyeliner, applying black eyeliner, also on the iconic Chanel fragrance, Coco Mademoiselle. We will also be talking about a quick and easy way to remove your mascara, a quick and easy way to fill in your brows, and that's about it. It's going to be a very short video today, so let's get started. So I'm turning my hair around, my hat around. We're putting it on backwards. I've already applied La Mer's foundation in the restorative light medium. I've already actually done a line with a black Lancome pencil, which is Le Stylo from Lancome, black. And I've lined the inner tear duct line and the inner tear duct line and just slightly below as well. So I just simply went like this, and across, like this, and across. Very simple. If you want to put eyeshadow on over top of that, feel free. Quick brow update. My brows are microbladed. Now there's a lot of things about microblading that some people don't like, but for me, I was drawing them in all the time and I wanted a nice natural shape. So this is Les Swatches Stylo brow pencil, and it's actually amazing because it just gives enough. Now what I'm doing is I'm just feathering up through my brows, as you can see, one compared to the other. As I'm coming to the arch of the brow, I'm arching it, and then I'm actually scrolling down as well. So, and if you come to an area which is not actually on my brows, but if you come to an area where you're actually missing hair, little X marks, like so, just like you're doing like a game of tic-tac-toe, back and forth. And you can extend it as well. So same on this line, we're just filling them in just ever so slightly. I love makeup. Makeup's my passion. And I hope you guys love makeup, and I hope you guys enjoy the videos that I'm actually putting out there for you as well. So hopefully you enjoy all that. So this, you always create the arch first and the shape. This is what my brows basically look like before they were done. I am not against microblading. It has lasted for over a year. I'm just matching it a little darker so that the black eyeliner won't look ridiculous. So there we go. And remember, ladies, if you're missing hairs in any spot on your brows, little X marks, just back and forth like that. Or if you have baby fine hair, like very small or non-existent, or you're going to be using soft blonde. So if you have black hair, the color that you're going to be using is a dark, dark brown. Brown hair, brown. Light brown hair can be light, soft brown, and blonde hair should usually be a blonde, not necessarily a red, because there's a lot of red blonde brow pencils that are there, and you have to be careful. And even as a true redhead, you want to be careful as well, because if you're a true redhead and you draw your brows in completely red, it can look really, really fake. So that's something that we want to avoid. So Les Swatches pencil in soft brown. So talking about another iconic product today too is Coco Chanel. Thank you, Chanel, very appreciative. Coco Chanel Mademoiselle from any fine department store, infused with patchouli. Love it. I actually get a lot of compliments on this from men and women as well, so I just do a little squirt, squirt, squirt here and there. I was actually in Boston with my partner going through the Dunkin' Donuts drive-through line, and the woman was like, "Oh my God, you smell so good. Every day that you've been here and you come through, I know that it's you. So, you know, it does have an effect. Fragrance has effect on people, and you know, it can be sensual, it can be sexual, it can be beautiful, and you know what, or it can be really, really stinky. So you need to find what works for yourself and make sure that that's going to happen, because there's nothing worse than smelling somebody and that's all you can smell. So moving on to the next item, I do have MAC clear lip gloss on with a bit of shimmer, gold shimmer from Bobbi Brown on top of that as well. So next we're actually going to talk quickly about 3 products, and I mentioned this in one of my videos, I believe. The primer, the Lancome Iconic Primer, amazing. We are going to apply that right to the lash line like so. It is the primer. Why use a primer? Why use a primer for your face? A primer adds a second layer of skin basically to your face, and it adds a second layer of protection for your lashes. Your lashes are dry, they're brittle, and you want to actually moisten them, and actually this gives length, definition, and a whole lot of love for those lashes. So we are going to do the other side, same thing. Now, women ask me all the time, should I do my bottom lashes? Should I do my bottom lashes? Yes, you can do your bottom lashes if you know how to do your bottom lashes, or if you have bottom lashes. So it's up to you. If you're gonna look like Tammy Faye Baker and you fell into your mascara, you know, died and had an overdose on mascara. Poor Tammy died of a mascara overdose, poor woman. Anyways, but she could rock that mascara. I said she had shares on the Dow Jones or the TSX in mascara, because she rocked it for many, many, many years. So primer on, acts as a base, acts as a moisturizer, protects the lashes, seals in moisture, extends the length of your mascara. Same with facial primer as well. It builds almost like an invisible barrier around your skin, so that when you actually put your foundation on, it looks silky and smooth. But we'll be talking about that another day, because I'm getting up to 7 minutes. We're now moving into the iconic Lancome Drama, which is the amazing. And the point of this video is makeup on, makeup off. Let me say that again. Makeup on, makeup off. You need to be able to put your makeup on quickly, and you need to be able to take it off quickly. So all this has been done in less than going to be probably 12 minutes. So I am putting on the Lancome mascara over top of the primer. And then I'm going to show you, all you ladies, how simple it is, and that you need to go purchase this Lancome Drama, Hypnose Drama mascara from your favorite department store or Sephora. Give a shout out to Sephora there as well. So as you see, we are just applying like so. And as a makeup artist, I've been doing this for so many years. So you can never really have too much mascara. Flaky mascara does not happen when you have that Seals Booster from Lancome. Flaky mascara happens when you have cheap mascara for $1.99 or $2.99. Not gonna name brands, but there's brands out there. So we have our beautiful eyelashes on from Lancome. This is a must, ladies, Hypnose Drama. It actually has the nice curved brush with it. And as I mentioned before, you are never going to double dip. You're never going to share it with a friend, nothing like that. All right, that being said, we are on to the iconic, this has never been cracked open, so I'm doing this specifically to enhance, you know, the video here as well, because I want people to see that this is a brand new bottle of Lancome Bifacil dual face eye makeup remover for face and eyes. Now I'm going to be using something else to take off the tinted moisturizer that I have. So it just comes like this. You just got to peel it away. What's great too is you can take a Q-tip and stick the Q-tip into the hole when you're trying to remove eyeliner as well. it probably will not be necessary because I don't have my upper lash line lined. So this is it here. You're gonna give it a shake. Another fabulous, fabulous product, Shiseido. Can you see that? Shiseido cotton pads. These are truly amazing, and this is what we'll be taking our mascara, our makeup, and everything off today, including our brows. These can be purchased at most fine department stores and Shoppers Drug Mart in Canada, probably Ulta Beauty in the United States, or from Shiseido.com. They are truly amazing, and they do not leave any white flakes when you are purchasing those other cotton pads that leave everything on your face. And it's just amazing. So let's get started. So I have the mascara on, I have my whole face on, I want to get it off, and I want to get it off quickly. We are going to take this onto the cotton pad and do a few drops. As you can see, I'm doing a few drops, okay? Then what we are going to do, we are going to squeeze, we're going to fold, squeeze, and hold this in place on top of the lash line for at least 10 seconds. So I'm counting down, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then you're gonna give it a nice little swipe from the left to the right. And look what came off, left to the right. We're going to turn the pad over, do another drop on the pad, and do the same thing from the right. 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you're going to remove, and look what came off. This is just, this is truly amazing. Now for the black eyeliner, you can actually get it off with this as well. By going whoop, like that. So if you have the kids right now, it's a Sunday, put them all in the van. So you're going to the department store, you'll be back. One eye done. Next, second eye. Moving along quickly here. Couple of drops. And hold onto the lash line. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. By the way, I cannot sing. I am the worst karaoke singer in the world, and wish I could sing, wish I could be on American Idol, etc., but I cannot. So, and we're going to swipe from left to the right. And look at that. That is actually taking the product off. We're going to turn it around and do from the left, or sorry, the right to the left. Amazing. So when you're trying to take your makeup off at home, it doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't have to be hard. You just have to have the right product. And then we're going to be doing right here where we line the inner tear duct as well. And it's about holding the product like this. And va-voom, the black eyeliner is gone. Now, the brows, which were penciled in, they're gone. You can see the brows on this side, which were penciled in, gone. Look how dirty my pad is. I've only used 4 or 5 pads here, and I still got like about 800 or 1,000 pads in that little package. Don't waste the pads. You can cut the pads too if you have a small face. Now what's great about this too is we're going to use the Lancome micellar water for face and eyes. Now you can use this, the Bifacil, this one here, the Bifacil, specially formulated for waterproof makeup. And this is the #1 seller in the world. I always purchase it when there's a gift with purchase it on from Saks or Hudson's Bay or any like Barney's New York. Get it then, ladies. That's when you want it. So we're coming up on time, but I just want to show you with this product, which is amazing. Have your pad squirt like so onto the cotton pad, and then swipe. We are removing all that tinted La Mer moisturizer that we had on today, earlier, before I decided I was going to even do this quick little video. And it's all coming off on the pad. See that? That's not me having a dirty face now. That's just me in the product coming off. So get in your van, get in your Civic, get in your Mercedes, whatever you drive. Take a motorcycle if you're in the US. Go get your products, ladies. Get the right products. So there we have it. Makeup removed, concealer removed, and it's all on one pad. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Eccentrics, and I will be back to do another video. And our next video will be, it's going to be a secret, so make sure that you subscribe, like this channel, share it to your Instagram, and have all your friends and family subscribe as well. The key is making sure that you subscribe and hit that button. Thank you. Thank you from Eccentrics, and thank you from Eccentrics Essentials, which is my business, and we will be exploring more products on a continuous basis to help women of all ages, young, mature, and in their 80s as well, to basically give you great skin product recommendations. For me, it's all about helping and enjoying the passion that I feel for makeup. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching my channel, and I am still learning on this whole YouTube thing in regards to having the right background, in regards to everything. So please be patient with me. I am doing the very best that I can. So thank you so much, and I appreciate all of you. Bye for now, and go get that makeup remover.